Welcome to Canada Kitchen's assembly video series. In this video, we will assemble a tray-based cabinet. Recommended tools include wood glue, drill, nailer, and rubber mallet. Open the A and B boxes for your cabinet. The A box will include the front-facing parts of the cabinet, the doors, drawer fronts, and face frame, while the B box will contain the cabinet box panels, drawer boxes, shelves, and hardware. Cabinets with sides that are visible or exposed may require the side panel to be replaced with a colored panel matching the door and face frame. Review your layout and double-check the colored panel is needed and on the correct side. Step 1. Insert side panels into the face frame. Line up the dovetail edge of the side panel with the groove at the back of the face frame and slide the panel into the groove until the edges are flush. The grooves on the side panel should be on the inside of the cabinet. Step 2. Insert the cabinet floor. Line up the sides of the panel with the grooves on the inside of the side panels. Slide forward until the front edge of the panel floor sits in the groove of the face frame. Install the two metal brackets to secure the panels to the face frame. When placing screws into the face frame, it can be a good idea to pre-drill to avoid damaging the frame. Step 3. Attach back panel. Slightly open the side panels at the back and place the groove inside the back panel onto the edge of the cabinet floor. Push the sides back together, inserting the vertical tabs at the sides of the back panel into the grooves of the side panels. Nail the side panel into the back panel, placing nails 6 to 8 inches apart. Take good aim and avoid placing your nails at an angle. Repeat for the other side. Step 4. Install toe kick. Position the toe kick and secure with nails or with the supplied two-piece brackets, installed inside the base using the pre-drilled holes on the left and right. Step 5. Install brackets and secure the back panel. Install a two-piece bracket into the corner to secure the back panel to the side panels. Use the pre-drilled holes provided in the panels and attach them with 5 12mm round head screws for each bracket. Repeat this step for the other corner. Secure the back panel to the cabinet floor using a 35mm black screw into the pre-drilled hole at the back of the cabinet. Turn the cabinet over, placing it right side up. Step 6. Install top brackets. Install 90-degree metal brackets at each corner at the top of the cabinet. Remember, when placing screws into the face frame, it can be a good idea to pre-drill. Step 7. Install hinges and door. Please note, cabinets are typically positioned and secured before attaching the hinges, doors, and handles. This makes the cabinet lighter and easier to handle during installation. Attach the hinge using one 19mm round head screw for each hinge into the holes provided on the inside of the face frame. Repeat for the other hinges and close the hinge. Place the round slots inside the door onto the hinges and gently open the door. Secure the door with two 14mm silver flathead screws for each hinge. Place rubber bumpers on the inside of the doors at the top and bottom corners. And that's it! Your cabinet is now complete. Visit our website or YouTube page for more cabinet assembly videos.